Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following interesting vehicle here. Now I start from this one first. This is a racing car with cute colors. Okay, now check the next one. Yellow bus. Yuchi one Pasir. Yellow bus. A Korean word. Yuchi one Pasir. Now check the next one. How about this one, everybody? Red Spider-Man. My favorite hero. Spider-Man. Okay. Red off-road car. Red off-road car. My favorite car with my favorite color. Okay. How about this one? Car. We can use this car to somewhere. We can play golf. Okay. Golf club. How about this one, everybody? Monster truck. The strongest monster truck. Number 22. The strongest truck. Number 22. With cute colors. Okay. This one we use remote control. We use some batteries here. We can switch on or switch off right here. How about this one? As a man mixer. As a man mixer truck. Okay, now I'll check the next one. Another interesting truck, interesting cars. How about this one? Off-road car. Off-road car. A cute truck. We use this truck to transport other cars to everywhere. How about this one? Mobil Truk. Mobil Truk. Okay. Mobil Truk. Everybody, this is a white super motorbike. A police super motorbike with white color. White monster truck. Mini monster truck. How about this one? Logistic truck. Logistic truck. A yellow container. You can see a yellow container. Okay, now check the next one. How about this one? Mini racing car number 8. Mini racing car number 8 with yellow color. The next one. Yellow cement mixer. Yellow cement mixer truck. Mobil Truk. Mobil Truk, everybody. Everyone, if you like my video, please write down, click a like button, and especially click a subscribe button. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Mobil Truk. Everybody, Mobil Truk or truck.